Dear students, today let us we discuss about the first lesson in chemistry, that is chemical reaction. So before going to start this lesson, we should know about the what are the main the points what we discuss in these classes. So before going to start this lesson, we should know about the contents. So first we'll start with the chemical reactions. Then we'll discuss about chemical equations. Then combination, chemical equations. We'll discuss about the types of chemical equations. Combinations. Next, exothermic reaction, decompositions, endothermic reaction, displacement, precipitations, double displacement, oxidation, reduction, redox, rusting, and transitivity. So before going to start this, the content, so first we should know about what is the reaction. So here there are some example they have given how the changes will take place in our daily life. The first thing what you're going to see in this case, what happens when milk is left at room temperature during the summer. All of you know that during summer, because of the temperature is high, the milk is automatically converted into curd, and that you are seeing going to see in the this picture. So why it happens? Because there is some changes which takes place, and also the other reason is that there is some acid that which convert the milk into curd. Then coming to the next PPT, what happens when an iron tawa or pan or the nail is left exposed to humid atmosphere? Have you seen this before? There is the rusting of iron will take place. The before the iron is normal, and after sometimes you can see that after there is the rusting is takes place. Why the rusting is takes place? Because you all know the reason. You have studied from 7th standard. Why? Because there is the iron is automatically reacts with moist air in presence of oxygen. That is why it becomes rust. All of you know that. So rusting iron, the chemical formula for that is Fe2O3H2O. This is also the chemical changes it takes place in this example. Coming to the next example, what happens when grapes are fermented? So you can see that here the grapes are there. It is in bluish color. After that, sometimes it turns into some dark colors, that is fermentations. So this is already you know that it changes into alcohol. The formula for alcohol is C2H5OH. This is why, because you know that in your houses, when your mother is going to prepare idli or dosa batter, in this case also there is fermentation will take place. That is clearly explained by Louis Pasteur in the fermentation reactions. There is also the chemical changes will take place in this case. Next, move to the other changes. What happens when the food is cooked? So when any food, the cooking alter the chemical composition of various nutrients. Before cooking the any rice or anything, there is even milk. When you take the milk also, raw milk, when you started to cooking, there is some microorganism or the germs which present in this milk, they will all die because of there is a certain temperature is required for the microorganisms to survive. You know that it is requires 10 to 40 degrees Celsius for the bacteria to survive in this temperature. If it is less than that or if it is more than that also, the all microorganisms will kill in these cases. This is also you can see the changes will take place in this example. Coming to the next example, what happens when the food gets digested in our body? There is You all of you know that the respiration process and the digestion process, these are the life process which is taking place in our day-to-day activities in our body itself. When you ingest the food, that automatically, when you are biting the food or when you are chewing the food, it automatically, uh, from the mouth, it enters into the pharynx to the esophagus, when it finally enters into the stomach and finally reaches to the small intestine where the food get completely digested. All of you know that the equation for that is also, when you take the food, that is glucose, and it reacts with oxygens. In presence of oxygen, they convert it into carbon dioxide and the energy is released. That is the equation for the respiration. See, all of you know that the digestion complete when the energies get released. In this also cases, the chemical digestion which takes place in this process. Coming to the next example, what happens when we respire? The respiration is the process where the food is get digested in presence of oxygen, where the energy is released. All of you know that you are studied from 7th standard onwards. When you take the food in presence of oxygen, so both respiration and digestions completely takes place, and finally you will get energy. When you are inhaling the oxygen, that enters into the pharynx, finally into the larynx, and finally it enters into the lungs. So where the oxygen is supplied to with the help of hemoglobin to all parts of the body, and when the cells are utilized this oxygen, and that after the process, the cells, it's giving back to the carbon dioxide, and that what you are going to exhale, the carbon dioxide. This process is also, all of you know that all these processes are the process what we takes place in day-to-day life. These are all example for the chemical changes what I have shown in these pictures. So coming to the physical, there are the two changes which is taking place. One is physical change and the another one is chemical change. When you see this slide, the physical change, no new substances is formed because we have taken the ice in the beaker and it converted into, melts into water. When we are again heating this water, it gets vaporizations. So there is no new substances are formed in these cases. Another example, when you take the stick, when you broken up, it gets two parts. So there is no new substances are formed. Even in the same case, the chemical changes, coming to the chemical changes. When you cut the apple, keep it for some times. When you observe these two in this diagram also, there is changes will take place. That is how the color changes in the case of apple. When you take the bread also, there is also changes takes place. When you come into the nail also, there is changes will takes place. When you are burning this the burn the fire, there is also with the help of matchsticks. These are all the example for the burning, cooking, rusting. All this will takes place. These are nothing but a new substances is formed, and that is why we call it this as a chemical change. So there are two changes will take place in our day-to-day life. One is physical change and another one is called chemical change. So in case of physical change, no new substances is formed, but in case of chemical changes, new substances are